Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet wall hanging designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet wall hanging design is a decorative piece made using crochet techniques, looping yarn with a hook that is created specifically to hang on a wall. It combines tactile art and home decor, adding a soft, handmade, and often vintage or cozy feel to a space. How it looks like. Crochet wall hangings can vary widely in style, but they often include intricate patterns like lace, flowers, or geometric shapes. Picture stitches for depth and detail. Yarn in neutral, pastel, and earthy tones. Hanging supports such as a wooden towel, stick, or metal ring. Common types of crochet wall hanging designs: boho or mimicry inspired crochet hangings, were relaxed, earthy, and textured. Floral crochet panels featuring crocheted flowers and leaves. Mandala wall hangings were circular, symmetrical, and artistic. Geometric or modern designs, clean lines and bold shapes. Tapestry style crochet images or pattern woven into the fabric. Why people use them adds a warm handmade touch to walls, perfect for farmhouse, cottage, vintage, or grandma could take her. Lightweight and easy to hang. A great way to showcase DIY creativity. Styling ideas: hang above a bed, sofa, or entryway. Pair with chat flowers, mirrors, or wooden frames. Use layered size for a gallery-style wall. Here are some practical and creative tips to make your stand out. Play with texture. Don't stick to just on stitch. Mix puff stitches for a raised look. Shell or fan stitch for softness. Rings or tassels for movement. Texture is what makes a wall hangings feel rich and eye-catching. Choose a calm, cohesive color palette for a cozy vintage or cottage wall. Try cream, beige, and soft white, dusty pink, shush green, and light blue. Use muted earthy tones. Avoid too many bright colors unless you want a bold modern style. Use natural hanging materials. Instead of plastic, go for wooden towels, tree branches, and bamboo sticks. This instantly gives a warm handmade aesthetic. Add layers and dimension. Create a fuller design by layering multiple crochet panels, mixing long and short sections, adding hanging cords at different lengths. This gives a more designer style finish. Incorporate small details. Little touches make a big difference. Crochet flowers or leaves. Use wooden beads or rings. Lace trims or fabric patches. These details enhance that vintage or grandma vibe. Keep yarn choice in mind. Cotton yarn, fun neat and structured. Acrylic yarn, soft and budget-friendly. Chunky yarn, bold and cozy. For wall hangings, cotton or slightly thick yarn work best. Balance size with your wall. Small wall, simple minimal design. Large empty wall, big statement piece or a set of hangings. Too small on a big wall can look lost. Match your decor style. Since you like farmhouse or cottage style, go for neutral tones plus simple patterns. Add a slightly edged or vintage look. Pair with oat, basket, or giant flowers. Don't aim for perfect symmetry. Slight imperfection actually make crochet wall hangings feel more authentic and handmade. Create a focal point. Every good wall hanging needs something that draws the eye. A large crocheted flower in the center, a bold geometric shape, a circular mandala piece. Build the rest of your design around the centerpiece. Combine crochet with other materials. Don't limit yourself to yarn only. Mix in linen or cotton fabric stripes. Add jute or rope for a rustic feel. Use lace pieces for a vintage touch. This layered mix gives a richer farmhouse style look. Use negative space wisely. Leave some areas open instead of filling everything. It makes the design feel lighter and elegant. Highlight the detailed section more. Works beautifully for minimalist or cottage styles. Keep proportions balanced. If you use long tassels, balance them with a thicker top section. If the top is simple, make the bottom more detailed. Avoid making one side feel heavier than the other. A balanced design looks more polished. Try seasonal styling. You can switch designs based on seasons. Spring, use pastel yarn plus floral patterns. For autumn, use warm browns, mustard, and rust tones. For winter, use white, cream, and chunky textures. This keeps your decor fresh all year. Knit finishing makes a big difference. Hide loose ends carefully. Keep tassels evenly trimmed. Lock your crochet page. Lightly shape it with water and let it dry. This step turns the homemade look into a professionally handmade one. Experiment with thickness. Use thin yarn for detailed, delicate designs. Use chunky yarn for bold statement pieces. You can even combine both in on hanging for contrast. Think in sets or collection. Instead of just one page, make 2 to 3 matching wall hangings. Use similar colors but different patterns. Arrange them as a gallery wall. This looks very stylish in farmhouse and cottage homes. Add a soft, natural vibe. Pair with dried flowers or pampas grass. Use soft, faded colors instead of bright ones. Two slightly imperfect, handmade-looking elements. Plan your design before starting, instead of crocheting randomly. Sketch a simple layout: top, middle, bottom section. Decide where details, tassels, or empty space will go. Choose colors, then add ones. This prevents your design from looking messy or overcrowded. Use symmetry or intentional asymmetry. Symmetrical design for calm, classic, and elegant. Asymmetrical design for modern, artistic, and unique. But don't mix both randomly. Choose one style and stick to it. Keep tension consistent. Uneven stitches can ruin the look. Try to maintain equal tightness while crocheting. If needed, practice a few rows before starting. Consistent tension equals cleaner and more professional result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!